Okay, so in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a template related to the motorcycle industry. Okay, as you can see, when I show hi and enter, there's an introductory section here, and then it will ask, okay, what kind of motorcycle are you looking for? So if you're a customer today, we would ask, what motorcycles do you have, brand, okay. So in a moment, we'll see that the AI will basically tell us which models they currently have for sale. Okay, so here you can see it tells us that right now they have these Yamaha motorcycles and these Honda motorcycles available. So if you have more models in the future, you can also add them in the same way. So in our training here, we're just telling it that we only sell Yamaha and Honda. So for Yamaha, we have these three models, and for Honda, we have these three. Okay, so now next, I'm going to tell it I want PG1, demo PG1, okay, and eco gear. Okay, so what I can do is I can tell it that I am actively searching for these specific and distinct motorcycle models, namely the PG1 and the eco gear. These are two particular models that I am very interested in finding, and I'm instructing the system to locate them for me, right? So it will then ask us to confirm and check this. So I say yes. Yeah, sure. Okay. Here it gives a confirmation asking which two pictures you want to see. So if I say yes here, it will start sending me some pictures to look at. So maybe this one is an introduction with a picture of the Yamaha PG1, and this one is the Yamaha Eco Gear. Okay, so here it's asking us, hey, are you looking for these two motorcycle models? I just say, yeah, probably. Okay, so it's just asking from the perspective of a customer. Okay, so it will then quote the price. Okay, so I believe when you're selling motorcycles, you have both cash purchases and loan purchases. Okay, if it's a cash purchase, the price will generally be a bit cheaper. Okay, so for the price quotes here, you can actually teach the AI. Okay, you need to teach the AI so that it knows how much these brands cost in the future. Okay, so here it will ask us whether you want to pay by cash or take a loan. So I believe when you're selling to your main customer group, your target audience, most of them are buyers who usually apply for a loan. Okay, so I'll just simply say loan, probably a hacker. Is that okay with you, or do you have any concerns? So next, the AI will ask if you want to take a loan. Okay, we'll try to understand and tell the customer if it's a loan, this is the price, and then it will ask us which model do you want the loan for, and then it will ask how many years do you want the loan for. Okay, how many years for the loan, and how much do you want for the down payment. Okay, so the reason why we ask customer for this information is because we can calculate the monthly installment for them. Okay, so today, let's say I want a PG1 and a down loan. So look, when we say I want this PG1 motorcycle and it's a 4-year loan, okay, so then it will ask how much do you want for the down payment. Some customers forget to provide this. So the AI will know and prompt you that you haven't told me your down payment amount yet. So for the down payment, I tell it 2,000. Okay, so I let it know how much my down payment will be. Okay, so at this point, the AI will start doing the calculations. It can calculate what the monthly installment will be. Okay, if the down payment is 2,000, okay, the monthly installment will be this amount for 4 years. Okay, so at this stage, the AI will ask them, do you want to take this motorcycle? If the customer says yes today, then yes, that is a positive outcome. Okay, if they want to buy it, okay, after that, we let the AI collect some data from the customer. Okay, so I firmly believe that if you are actively handling various types of loans, especially those like these specific motorcycle loans, you will definitely need to gather some essential customer information to effectively assist them in successfully applying for the necessary loan. Is that clear? Okay, so you can see Here's where we collect this information from the customer. Okay, fill in things like their personal details and then guarantor information from their family members and so on. Okay, so all these things can be handled by the AI itself, meaning it can request and collect this information from the customer. So after the customer has provided all this information, you can then directly hand it over to your real staff for further follow-up. Okay, so basically, what can be achieved with this so-called motor template? For example, when a customer comes in and wants to look for a certain motorcycle, okay, the AI will recommend some of the motorcycles that the company has for sale. Okay, furthermore, if the customer wants to see several models, the AI can also send them some photos to look at. Okay, and then if today the customer wants to apply for a loan, okay, price quotations, the prices of each motorcycle, all of that can be provided to the customer. And if today the customer wants to take a loan, we can also have the AI collect from the customer the loan amount they want and the number of years for the loan, and then calculate the monthly installment for them. Okay, if in the end the customer decides to make a purchase, okay, we will have the AI collect all of their personal information. Okay, so at the final stage, after they have finished filling everything out, you can also transfer these customers to your staff for follow-up. Okay, so this is the chatbot we have launched specifically for the motorcycle industry. Okay, so this tool will definitely be helpful for most customers. If you are in this line of business, you basically just need to modify this template accordingly. Okay,